1006 Rainbow Drive. We are now in the bathroom, kitchen, and laundry line. What you see in front of you is the main line that it ties into. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling back. Again, this line is our laundry, kitchen, and the bathroom in that area. This section here is where the huge holes on the bottom of the pipe were. We ran our UV lining sleeve, did our epoxy coating over it. To the right there leads up into the toilet. Now we're going to be pulling through our kitchen line. We're coming up the vent stack to the kitchen line.